Good day, everyone. This is Dr. Kesslyn with the PhD Consultants. I just have a simple message for you today, and the message is you cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot pour from an empty cup. I've been reading lots of Facebook posts about people being extremely tired and exhausted, and I can relate to that. You've been working so hard to accomplish your goal, your doctoral goal, that you're burnt out. You're at the point where nothing seems to make sense. You can't think through the fog. The reality is that some people have been trying to produce at the highest level, but you're tired, you're exhausted, and you're trying to pour from an empty cup. And so today I want to remind you that you have to be filled. I want to remind you that you have to fill your body, your mind, your body, and your soul. For your mind, I want you to just for a moment put down anything that you're reading related to dissertation. For your mind, I want you to fill your mind with something fun. Watch a comedy, read a story, be inspired by someone's life, but feed your mind that which it needs, and your body. I want you to work out, absolutely, and I want you to feed your body the food that is nutritious. Sometimes when we're on this journey, we tend to pick up the snacks, I'm guilty, the snacks that are not healthiest for us, but remember to feed your body that which it needs, the water and the nutrients, because you won't be able to produce at the highest level. Someone said junk in, junk out. I want you to make sure that you're putting good stuff in, and that you're resting your body. And then there's your soul. You have your mind, your body, and your soul. I want you to surround your soul, surround yourself with people who nurture your soul, people who believe in your dream, people who support your vision, people who understand what it's like to be on the doctoral journey and to feel lonely. So remember to fill your soul with those things that will restore it to its full health. That means people, that means surroundings. I have my light when I come into my office because it feeds my soul, right? Incense, it feeds my soul. So remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. I know that you're capable of writing that dissertation and completing those classes, but remember, in order for you to produce that which is necessary for the world to be impacted, you have to feed your mind, your body, and your soul. The doctoral degree, it's not merely a degree of intelligence, it is a degree of persistence. And I want to encourage you to push through by feeding your soul. Why? Because you cannot pour from an empty cup. This is Dr. Kesslyn reminding you to push through. It's Thursday.